In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Monday.com effortlessly and efficiently. Whether you're facing a technical glitch, seeking guidance on how to utilize the platform to its fullest, or have any questions that need answering, reaching out to Monday.com, S customer support team, is a vital step towards finding solutions. So, let's walk through the process together, making sure you know exactly how to get the help you need, whenever you need it. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Monday.com homepage. This is your starting point. The homepage serves as the gateway to all of Monday.com features, resources, and importantly for us today, its support services. On the Monday.com homepage, your attention should be drawn towards the help icon or the question mark icon, usually located in the corner of the screen. This small symbol is your direct line to a range of support options, including the all-important Contact Us feature. The design of Monday.com is intuitive, making these icons easy to spot. But should you find yourself searching, remember they're typically housed within the site's navigation bars or menus. Clicking on the help or question mark icon will unveil a drop-down or pop-up menu within which you'll find the Contact Us option. This link is your next step towards getting in direct touch with Monday.com S support team. The Contact Us page is designed to offer several communication channels to fit your preference or need. Once on the Contact Us page, the most immediate option you'll see is to start a chat. This chat feature connects you in real time with a member of the Monday.com support team. Selecting Start Chat will open a chat window where you can type in your question, concern, or request for support. This method is ideal for quick questions or issues that can be resolved in a brief conversation. The efficiency and real-time feedback of the chat function make it a popular choice among users for its convenience and immediacy. However, if you prefer or if your query requires more detailed support, Monday.com also offers the option to email them directly. This might be the preferred route for more complex questions, where you need to provide detailed explanations or attach files for clarity. The email contact option might not offer the immediate response of the chat, but it allows for a more thorough exchange of information, which can be critical for resolving more intricate issues. Remember, when contacting Monday.com via email, to provide a clear and concise subject line that gives an idea of your issue or question. Be as detailed as necessary in the body of the email to ensure the support team has all the context they need to provide effective assistance. Attach any relevant screenshots, documents, or other files that could help illustrate the issue you're facing. A few additional tips to keep in mind when reaching out for support. Firstly, have your account information handy as the support team may need it to assist you effectively. Secondly, be patient. While Monday.com strives to respond promptly, response times can vary based on the volume of inquiries they are handling. Lastly, make use of the vast array of resources and FAQs available on Monday.com S website. Often the answer to your question can be found there, saving you time. In closing, knowing how to reach out for support is crucial in maximizing your use of the Monday.com platform. Whether it's through a quick chat or a detailed email, the customer support team is there to help you navigate any issues and answer any questions you may have. Remember, no issue is too small, and it's always better to seek help than to struggle in silence. With these steps, you're now well equipped to communicate effectively with Monday.com S support team. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy planning! And here's to a productive journey ahead with Monday.com.